Alright, so this is how you take the back strap out of the big old dough. A lot of fat. Find that backbone. Style the backbone all the way down. And come over here. Cut straight into it there. I take this stuff off so you can see a little bit better. You can see it there a little bit. Fat's kind of a little sticky, so it ain't coming off as good. And take a knife, run it right along where the back strap is about, all the way down. Come in from the side, cut down them vertebrae, ribs, whatever you want to call them. Come to the back. Get it started. And you can just go all the way down with it now. And it should peel off pretty good. Then once you get down here, you take this piece, pull it out, pull this down. And that's a little old backstrap out of a really old fat dough.